Happy morning to all. Welcome to our English class. Okay, students, what did we learn in the previous class? Do you know? Do you remember anything about that? Good. What we learned? Nila family and then Nila friends and their families, right? Who is that? Who is the heroine in this in the lesson? Nila. Okay. How many members in Nila family? Including Nila, there are 6 members, right? Who is the first one? Father. Next one is mother. And Nila's sister. Grandma. And grandpa. Okay. In that picture, already we saw that picture in previous class, right? First remember that and then say the answer. What did Nila father in that picture? Anybody knows? What he did? He cleans the window, right? He cleans the window. Okay? Next one. What did Nila mother in that picture? She drinks a cup of water. Okay. And then what is the name for Nila's sister? Meenu. And then what did grandma in that picture? She take as Meenu, right? Take as Meenu. Next. Sorry, this is grandpa. Okay, what did grandpa in that picture? He reading a newspaper, right? Reading newspaper. Good. These are all Nila's family, right? How many members? 6 members. So this is a big family. What is that? Big family. I remember that Nila in this heroine of this lesson. Nila family has 6 members. Okay, the first one is father, mother, sister, grandma, and grandpa. Nila father, what he did in that picture? He cleans the window. What did Nila's mother drink cup of water? And then sister name is Meenu. Grandma, what did she do in that picture? Take a Meenu. And then grandpa reading newspaper. That's all. This is called as a big family. Okay. Are you clear? Okay. Next. Okay, who is the first friend of Nila? Who is that? Mary. How many members in Mary family? Only 1 member, right? Who is that person? Anybody knows? Who is that person? That is mother. Mary have mother only. She only take care of her. Okay? Including Mary, how many members in that Mary family? Including Mary, 2 members only. 2 members. So this is single parent family. Okay, this is single parent family. Who is another friend of Nila? Abdul. In that Abdul family, how many members? Including Abdul, how many members in that Abdul family? 4 members. Good. First one is father, mother, and brother. Father is here. Abdul father is here. Everybody knows chef or cook? Sorry, chef or pilot? Chef. Good. Abdul father is here. Chef. And Abdul mother is here. Pilot. Good. And brother, what he did in that picture? He play on swing, right? He play on swing. Are you clear? I think, right? Okay, good. Now we move to today's section, that is alphabet jungle. Alphabet jungle. We start from alphabet letter S to Z. If you have a book, means please open your book page number. That is 122. Okay. Okay, students, listen. This is alphabet jungle. Okay, we start from letter S to Z. Okay, the first one is what? The squirrel has a baby. We see the animal's name and their young one's name. Okay, the squirrel has a baby. Okay, you know the children, the squirrel baby, the baby squirrel are born blind. They depend on their mother 2 to 3 months only. Okay, students, are you clear? Listen carefully. The baby squirrel are born blind only, and then they depend on their mother around 2 to 3 months. Okay, the squirrel has a baby. Okay, and then what is the next letter? T. The tiger has a cub. The tiger has a cub. Okay, the squirrel has a baby. The tiger has a cub. The upupa has a chick. The upupa has a chick in the hole of a tree. In the hole of a tree. அது எங்க இருக்கும்? அந்த ட்ரீல இருக்க அந்த ஹோல்குள்ளார தான் அங்க இருப்பாங்க. Okay, the upupa has a chick in the hole of a tree. Next one, the vulture. The vulture chicks lives high upon the rock. Where it lives, the vulture chick lives high upon the rock. Okay, students, அது எங்க தான் வாழுமா? வந்து ஒரு பெரிய உயரமா இருக்க ராக் மேல தான் அது வாழும்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Baby wolf is a pup. Baby wolf is a pup. Baby wolf is a pup. Next one, baby fox is a cub. Baby fox is a cub. What is that? Baby fox is a cub. Next one, baby yak is a calf and baby zebra is a foal. What is that? Baby yak is a calf and baby zebra is a foal. Okay, students, we repeat. Okay, you also repeat. Okay, the squirrel has a baby. What is that? The squirrel has a baby. Okay, the tiger has a cub. The tiger has a cub. What is it about squirrel? The baby squirrel are born blind. They are depend on their mother around 2 to 3 months. 2 to 3 months. Okay, next one. The upupa. What is that? Upupa has a chick in the hole of a tree. The upupa has a chick in the hole of a tree. Next one. The vulture chick lives high up on the rock. The vulture chick lives high up on the rock. Okay, next one. Baby wolf is a pup. Baby wolf is a pup. Baby fox is a cub. Baby fox is a cub. And baby yak is a calf. Baby yak is a calf. And baby zebra is a foal. And baby zebra is a foal. That's how we finished our alphabet jungle. Okay, next one, we move to the next page, 123. Listen, let us write. Okay, trace the letters. Students, all of you take your pencil and eraser. Show off your pencil. Take your pencil and eraser. Are you taken? Listen, you have to write slowly and neatly. Don't overwrite. Okay, don't overwrite. Write slowly. to watch the arrow mark. Students, listen. To watch this arrow mark, the arrow mark come this side only, right? So you have to write, yes, like this you have to put. Yes. Okay, next one, T. How you will write? Arrow mark going this side, right? First you put this line, one line, and then you draw a line like this downside. Okay, next one is what? U. Like this you have to do. Sorry, you have to write like this, U. What is the next letter? V. Next letter, W. X. Y. Z. This is a capital letter, this is a small letter. Okay, dear students, please practice daily alphabet letters in your home. Okay, daily you must practice in your home. Then only you have a then only you get a good handwriting. Okay, so daily you have to practice handwriting, and please memorize the alphabet letters. Don't forget. Okay, please memorize that. This is your let us write page, and then don't forget write compulsory. Okay, in your next class I will ask. Okay, next one is let us do. What is the let us do? Word wall, right? This is the word wall. What they given here? Display the words given in the word wall on the board. What they said? Display these words. Display these words on the board. Okay, after that practice the words by asking as many questions as possible. Example, this is your pen. Practice all the words similarly. Okay, what they said means, dear students, listen. Display this word wall on the board. After that you make a question using this letter, using these words you have to make questions. How means, listen students, first of all we have to read the words. After that we make a questions. Okay, listen. First one is what? R. What is that? R. A. R. E. R. Listen, students, you also repeat, okay, with me. Okay, A. R. E. R. T. H. E. R. E. There. T. H. E. R. E. There. Next one, more. M. O. R. E. More. What is that? M. O. R. E. More. Students, listen carefully. You also repeat with me. Okay, M. O. R. E. More. Next one, U. Y. O. U. U. What is that? Y. O. U. U. Okay, this word is U. What is that? U. And next one is T. H. I. Yes, this. T. H. I. Yes, this. I. Yes, is. I. Yes, is. Next one, T. H. E. Yes, E. These. T. H. E. Yes, E. These. Students, don't speak with others. Don't see outside. Carefully watch this class. Okay. C. A. R. E. Care. What is that? C. A. R. E. Care. Next one, W. H. O. W. H. O. Who. W. H. O. Who. Next one, play. P. L. A. Y. Play. All the one like this word, right? Play, right? P. L. A. Y. Play. P. L. A. Y. Play. Next one, her. H. E. R. Her. What is that? H. E. R. Her. Next one, his. H. I. S. His. What is that? H. I. S. His. Next one, W. H. E. R. E. W. H. E. R. E. What is that? W. H. E. R. E. Next one, on. O. N. On. What is that? on, on. Okay, this is a word word. Listen carefully. What is that? We repeat that. You also repeat with me. Okay. Or, that, more, you, this is, these, care, who, play, her, his, where, on. Okay, this is the word. Now you have to make a question by using these words. How will you make? I give 3 example. You will practice in your home. Okay, like that. Okay, first one is who are you? Who are you? நீ யாரு அப்படின்னு கேட்போம்ல, that one is who are you. Next one, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Okay, like this you have to practice in your home. Okay, students. Okay, we move to the next one, that is think zone. This is very easy topic. This is a fun topic, right? Okay, now we have to fill in these blocks. Okay, you must to answer in this class. Okay, already we saw like that in previous class, right? So now today itself you have to answer in all the think zone. Okay, listen what comes next. Wrap this 2 box. Okay, we have to fill in this box. Okay, see what they given. We have to see first. Okay, cat, tap, bat, tab, pat. What is this? Do you have any idea about that? About this? No. Okay, listen carefully. First you have to see 2 box. Okay, first you have to see 2 box. You remaining all the boxes you close. Okay, first you have to see 2 box only. Listen, first box, CAT, cat. TAC, task. Okay, listen what they do in the second what they are done in the second box. Listen carefully. The first letter C they will interchange in the second box last. Okay, the first letter C they will they written in last. Okay, the last letter T they will written in first. The middle letter are same, right? A. Listen carefully, students. Listen. The first letter C and last letter T only interchanging here. Listen. What is the first letter C? Sorry, what is the first letter in this word? That is C, right? That C they will written in last. The last letter T they will written they written in first. Are you clear, students? Once again I repeat. Listen the first 2 box only. Cat, task. Okay, tap. Listen, the first letter C they interchange that last letter C. The last letter C they written first. The remaining letter, the center letter are same. Okay, are you clear? Next 2 box, C, bat, tab. The first letter B they will they written in last letter. Yes, B. And then last letter they wrote first. The center letter are same. Okay, now listen. The first letter P they wrote, we will wrote where? Last, right? We have to write last. Students, take your pencil and write. Students, take your pencil and write now. The first letter P you have to write last P. Last, okay? Next, A you have to write center. The last letter T we have to write first. So what you will get? Tap. TAP, tap. What is the TAP, tap? Okay, listen, simply I will say they will they interchange only the first and last letter. I mean the first and third letter only they interchanged. Okay, C they wrote last and T wrote first. Okay, B wrote last, T wrote first. In this box, P wrote last, T wrote first, and then the center is A. Are you clear? Next one is hen, pen, hat, pat, he. What will come next? Listen. See two box. The first two. Hen, pen. Listen, students. What they wrote. You forgot the first box. Listen the second box. Are you have any idea? Do you have any idea? Good. What only they changed? First letter only they changed. Okay, the remaining en will same. Remaining en are same, right? The first letter only changed, right? H. Instead of H, they wrote P. Remaining en same. Listen next two box hat pat. Instead of H, they wrote P. Listen carefully. Instead of H, they wrote P. And remaining AT same. Listen here. Here also IT. The last two letters same. The first letter only we have to change. What is that? Here H. Now we write. What we write? Listen. HP. Here also pit. 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 What is that? PIT. Pit. Okay. That's all students today class. Please practice that animal's name and their young one's name. Okay. Okay students, are you clear? Okay. We will meet in next class. Okay. Before that section you have to wrote this, trace the letters. Okay students. So okay, thank you to all.